Taste and see that the Lord is good.
And you turn it upside down, and it's the letter J. And that reminds me of... Jesus!